3 best crypto trading platforms in the USA. Picking the best crypto trading platform in the USA sounds easy until 2 apps look equally strong and only one still feels right after the first few trades. That is where most people make the wrong choice. They focus on the brand or the homepage, but the real difference usually shows up later when fees, order tools, and transfer flexibility start to matter. And that is the loop to keep in mind until the end. The strongest platform here is not just the one that feels easiest in the first minute. It is the one that still makes sense when you move from casual buying to more serious trading. What makes a platform worth it? For a broad US audience, the smartest filter is ease, depth, and real trading value. NerdWallet's latest roundup keeps Coinbase, Robinhood Crypto, and Kraken in the top conversation, while the official platform pages show why they keep coming up. Each one solves a different problem well. That matters even more in crypto, because a platform can look simple and still become expensive or limiting once you want better execution, more market depth, or easier transfer. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. Number 3, Robinhood Crypto. Robinhood Crypto takes the third spot because it is the clearest answer for people who want low friction simplicity. Robinhood says users can trade crypto 24/7, start with as little as $1 and transfer crypto in and out, which makes it very appealing for someone who wants a smooth app experience without too much clutter. It stays at number 3 because simplicity can also mean less depth for a trader who wants more advanced tools. If your goal is easy access and a cleaner interface, Robinhood makes a lot of sense. But the next 2 platforms usually feel stronger once trading becomes more deliberate. Number 2, Kraken. Kraken moves into second because it feels stronger for people who want serious trading tools without jumping straight into something overly niche. Kraken Pro says it is designed for advanced traders, offers no hidden spreads on Pro, supports OTC for larger orders, and highlights deep liquidity, customizable tools, and around-the-clock support. That is what gives Kraken its edge. It often feels like the place you graduate to when a simple buy button is no longer enough. It misses the top spot only because the best all-around platform here does one thing slightly better: it bridges beginner comfort and advanced depth more smoothly. Number 1, Coinbase. Coinbase takes the top spot because it closes the loop from the beginning. The best crypto platform for most US users is not the one that only feels easy and not the one that only feels advanced. It is the one that can do both well enough that you are less likely to outgrow it too quickly. Coinbase's official pages show why it lands first here. The core platform is beginner friendly, while Coinbase Advanced offers more than 500 spot pairs, advanced charting through TradingView, APIs, and maker fees as low as 0% on some volume tiers. For a broad US audience, that balance is hard to beat. The platform that still feels right later. So if you want the clearest starting point, Coinbase is the strongest all-around option, Kraken is the one to watch for deeper trading tools, and Robinhood Crypto makes the most sense if your priority is simplicity and low friction access. The smartest move is not choosing the loudest brand, it is choosing the platform with the right mix of fees, order tools, and transfer flexibility for the way you actually plan to trade. That is usually where the best crypto trading platform in the USA finally reveals itself. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.